countries were at daggers drawn, a very sharp enmity. Since then, all the Japanese hated the Americans because America was the country who was the cause of the destruction of Japan. Every Japanese has a profuse amount of hatred in their hearts for America. Keeping in that context, the story has been written. Dr. Sadao, when came of age, his father sent him to America to pursue his medical career. Nobody was there to provide him any accommodation. Ultimately, a professor provided him accommodation to live there. He continued his medical profession. During his stay, he happened to meet a girl named Hana. He fell in love with that girl, and ultimately Hana became his life partner, his wife. So after returning to Japan, after the completion of his medical career, Dr. Sadao became a very, very successful doctor of Japan. He got a high place in Japanese army and leading his life very nicely. He had two children. Hana also changed herself, though she was American, but very soon she adopted the Japanese way of life. You know, Dr. Sadao brought Hana from America, but though she was American, but after becoming wife of Dr. Sadao, he completely adopted the Japanese way of life, as if she was a born Japanese. In this way, the life was moving on smoothly, everything was going good and great. So the plot of this story proceeds further. One morning, when Dr. Sadao woke up, as his house was situated on the shore of the sea, so he noticed something, that a body was floating on the water before his house on the surface of water in the sea. So he approached there to know who the person was, and when he inquired, he was almost dead. The man was senseless and he was seriously wounded also. So when doctor examined, he found that he was the prisoner of war. Anyhow escaped, but he was hit by a bullet. Profuse amount of blood was flown out of his body, and thereafter, to see the uniform, he could understand that he was the American soldier. The moment he noticed that the wounded man was senseless, was an American soldier, immediately the sense of hatred arose, because Japanese had innate feeling against feeling of hatred against American. Hana also didn't want Dr. Sadao, her husband, to pay any attention towards the wounded man as he was American. But Dr. Sadao, being a doctor, he decided to take this man to his house, to serve him, to treat him, and to save his life. Being an American, Hana opposed the idea of bringing the wounded man to his house, because now she was out and out as Japanese. She also had the apprehension. Some of the important words to learn. When you are attending the class, you must be ready with pen and paper and write some of the words. Apprehension. Means fear, ashanka. That if the Japanese government comes to know that Dr. Sadao family has harbored an American who is our own enemy, naturally the life will be in trouble. Because at no cost, Japanese are ready to tolerate the Americans. That's right. Life will be in trouble. Dr. Sadao might be arrested. He might be declared a traitor. Traitor, opposite to patriots. Deshbhakt, and opposite to it, Gaddar. The person who doesn't love the country is called traitor. So, patriotism and traitorism. So, Hana was apprehensive of the idea that if Dr. Sadao harbors, keeps inside, if Dr. Sadao has this wounded man inside his house, the wrong and negative message will go to the Japanese, and after this, the life will be over. But what should we do? The first and the foremost duty of a doctor is to save the life of a wounded man. Friends and foe, friend and enemy are not the appropriate words for a doctor before a wounded man if he means the prime concern of a doctor is the first and foremost duty of a doctor is to save the life of the wounded man. Later on, he is a friend or enemy. First of all, he is a human being. And to save the life of a human being is the prime concern, is the prime duty of a doctor. So without thinking, without taking care of what people will think about him, that he has harbored the American soldier, which is his enemy, Dr. Sadao brought this wounded man to his house and started doing all sorts of preparation to operate on him because the wounded man urgently needed operation. He also ordered the patient to wash the man who was almost dirty in the sea. Mud and moss might be there on the body. So before operation, it was necessary to clean his body, but the servants could not pay any attention. The servants, all the servants, the gardener, the cook, they all have the same opinion that our master is not doing a good thing. He is going to serve or help or save the life of an American who is our own enemy. So, the servants almost deserted the house. Deserted, they left the house. Leaving the house by the servant, you can understand the amount of hatred against the American. Then Hana could not understand. Children, what was the thought process? Trying to understand the thought process of Dr. Sadao and the thought process of servants and the wife. The two thought process do not match. Wife Hana and the servants all have the same opinion that since this is American, the wounded soldier is an American, that's why no kind of help should be rendered to him. Better he should be left to die. But Dr. Sadao had a different thought process. He might be thinking, though he is American, but it was America who provided shelter for Dr. Sadao, who allowed him to study medical science, He also got a life partner from America. So Dr. Sadaf was already indebted to America. Indebted, pension one, because he had got a lot. Whatever he is today due to America. Had America not provided him the opportunity to study medical science, he won't have been a good doctor. Had the professor not provided him the accommodation, he could not live there. Once he was seriously ill and suffering from influenza, he was very well served by the wife, professor's wife. So his life was set there. This thought process, the sense of gratitude, the servants could not understand. So all servants and his wife could not understand the sense of gratitude which Dr. Sadaf would have, and owing to that gratitude, he was inclined to save the life of the medical student. Moreover, this was one part. The second part is Dr. Sadaf was a doctor, and it is the prime concern of a doctor to save the life of the man before him without taking any consideration where he is a friend or foe. So, he's enemy. So, enemy or friend later on. But first of all, he is a human being. And service to man is service to God. The first and foremost duty of a man, of a doctor, is to save the life. So how could the servants as well as his wife feel the sense of gratitude, the thought process which Dr. Sadaf would have? So discarding all the consternation, fear, consternation. Fear. Without taking care of what people would think and what would happen to him, whether the Japanese administration will put him to death or punish him very severely, even for capital punishment, death. Capital punishment, death. He was regardless of this fear, he was regardless of this consternation that what would happen to him. The only concern is to help the man. So the house was not well equipped with the medical preparation which is needed for operation. So Dr. Sadaf decided to temporarily convert a room into temporary operation theatre. The room was vacant, his father died. This was the room when his father was living in that room. So after the death of the father, the room was lying vacant. There only, Dr. Sadaf immediately made a temporary arrangement to operate on this wounded soldier. The servants refused to put any helping hand. The servants only deserted the house. Dr. Sadaf ordered Hana, his wife, to clean the body of this man. He also instructed him to put anesthesia. Anesthesia, students, and the medical science was not so developed. So before operating on the doctor used to put anesthesia near the nostrils of the patient to make him senseless because the patients could not bear the pain of operation. But with the passage of time, the medical science also advanced, and now there is no need of making the patient so much senseless. Rather, he will numb that part of body where the operation is to be administered. Even in the cardiac surgery, the entire body is not to be numb. The patient is not to be made senseless. But in those days, so Hana anyhow followed the instruction of her husband, Dr. Sadaf, and ultimately Dr. Sadaf operated on the man. The bullet was also lying inside the body. He took it out, operated successfully, and gradually, the pulse was falling low because already a large amount of, a profuse amount of water, blood flown from his body. So, anyhow, he was able to survive. And gradually, with the passage of time, the condition improved. Day by day, his health started improving. The man came to sense, but another worry. Both the doctor and the wounded soldier was getting improved day by day, undergoing a simultaneous feeling. The patient was having the idea whether the doctor saved my life, whether he is going to release me, or whether he is going to hand me over to the administration. And suppose he hands me over to the administration, so I'll be a captive again, and the life will become this. Or moreover, they can kill me also. On the other hand, the doctor all the time undergoing the feeling what to do with the man. Till then, when you would have been at the place of the doctor, what would you do? After saving his life, probably you might have handed him over to the administration. What would have been done? Actually, the message, the doctor very well knew that this message will be communicated to the administration. So before the other person could do it, Dr. Sadaf himself communicated the entire message story to the chief of the army. As you know, Dr. Sadaf was the senior-most doctor in the Japanese army. Without taking care of the consequences, he himself narrated in the entire story that he has harbored an wounded man who was floating on the surface of water before the house in the sea. We operated on him, saved his life, and his health is improving day by day. After knowing this, the chief of the army staff had two options: either to give punishment to the doctor, but if he could give punishment to the doctor, Japan could be losing the best surgeon of the country. If Dr. Sadaf was penalized or punished by the Japanese government, Japan would be a great loser, as he would be losing a great doctor, because he was an unparalleled doctor in Japan. Moreover, chief of the army staff also had some cardiac problem, which is supposed to be operated on by Dr. Sadaf himself. If he could give punishment to Dr. Sadaf, who will operate on him? Means the chief of the army. So, the chief suggested Dr. Sadaf that you don't kill him yourself, rather he will send assassins. Assassins, you know? Another word, assassins. Assassins, children, the word assassination is derived from the word assassins. So the person whose profession is to kill. So, Dr. Sadaf was well instructed by or advised by the chief of the army staff that he will send two assassins to his house and they will kill the American soldier. And he also instructed Dr. Sadaf to keep the door of the house open so that in the midnight the two assassins will come and they kill him. If Sadaf could not did not want to kill him, that man will be killed by the professional assassin sent by the chief of the army staff. But what was going inside Dr. Sadaf? Dr. Sadaf did not want to get him killed, did not want to see him harmed, because as a tree doesn't cut his branches itself, in the same way, a person who has saved the life of someone, he will never like to take his life. This was the feeling. Dr. Sadaf has saved his life, he would never like to kill him. So the chief of the army staff also suggested Dr. Sadaf that the assassins will kill him and they leave the art of inward bleeding. Inward bleeding means the person will bleed to death, but the blood will not come out. Understand? Will not come out. Whether it is going on or not. No. Inward bleeding. So every night, since the chief of the army staff suggested Dr. Sadaf to send the assassins, since then every night was an ordeal for the doctor. Even the rustling sound when the trees and plants inside the garden start rustling, Dr. Sadaf could feel the indication whether the assassins are coming to kill him. So he was not happy with the idea. Every morning, very curiously, he would get up and rush towards the room, whether the soldier was, it is going, children. So, whether this man is alive or the assassins have killed him. A few days this continued. Every night was almost a sleepless night for Dr. Sadaf. Probably this night, tonight, the assassins will come. And in the morning, they rushed to the room where he was staying and he found him, he is still alive. So the assassins didn't come because the chief of the army staff who himself was suffering from the cardiac problem, heart disease and problem. So he forgot to send any assassins. They didn't come. But one fine evening, Dr. Sadaf decided to release the man and he told him to get ready. He told him to get ready. Be prepared to go. He managed the boat, the surface of the water, put some clothing, water, food, and in the darkness of night, when the evening started, what happened? What happened? Allowed this boy, the wounded man who was cured now completely, to sail on. He also covered his head with his black cloth, piece of cloth, as his hair was blonde, and he also gave him a torch to give him the indication that everything is all right. So after giving all instructions and code, that night he released the man, suggesting him to sail towards an island, small island where a little vegetation is there, and to wait there for the Korean boats. On that island, some Korean boats would pass by, will request the boat, and he will go to Korea, and from Korea he will manage to go to. In this manner, he was able to save the life of the children. This is this from this story. This story leaves a question behind it. One can see or justify the actions of Dr. Sadaf in two ways. First, by saving the life of an American soldier, he acted against the country. So will the Japanese call him a patriot because he was serving the enemy country by saving the life of the soldier, American soldier? But from the other angle, if you see, what is the duty of a doctor? The duty of a doctor is to save the life of a person, regardless of friend and foe. Whether the person is an enemy or his friend, first of all, he is a human being, and to save the life of a human being is the chief concern of a doctor. So, humanity and patriotism. One can question the action of Dr. Sadao or acting against the country by saving the life of the enemy. That can be traitorism. He was a traitor, the dark. It can't be declared a patriot. But from a doctor point of view, the savior of life. But if we just retreat a little bit and justify the actions of Dr. Sadao, we'll find when Dr. Sadao was staying in America, nobody was there to provide him shelter. But somebody was there to provide him shelter to continue his study as a doctor, a medical student. Once he was suffering from influenza, somebody helped him, served him, and got him cured. Moreover, he also got his life partner from America. So this was a kind of obligation Dr. Sadao was carrying in his heart. So if you feel that America also had the contribution to prepare a good doctor for Japan. Dr. Sadao was a product of American contribution, as he got the opportunity to study medical science there, as his life was saved when he was seriously ill. So, keeping in view of that obligation, he released the man, and by releasing the man, he tried to pay the obligation back to America. When I am supposed to justify the actions of Dr. Sadao, what should I do? I must call him a patriot, a good human being, a superhuman being, a very considerate and kind doctor, and whatever he did, any great doctor should do. Who would be in place of Dr. Sadao? So how much time left, sir? Sir, how much time left? 5 minutes. So children, if you can, I'm giving you some questions. You just record it and you prepare it at home. You are supposed to have a separate notebook for English and you will write all the answers. Question first. Why the answer of Dr. Sadao? Saving the life of England. How will you justify? The same questions can be given. Was Dr. Sadao a patriot or a traitor? Was Dr. Sadaf a patriot or a traitor? देशभक्त थे या गद्दार थे? How will you justify it? So these two questions, the same questions can be interpreted in two ways. Dr. Sadaf, justification of Dr. Sadaf actions, or was Dr. Sadaf a patriot or a traitor?